Ah, never mind. We're going to try and get a good freaking picture for the thumbnail. Peanut butter crunchy, or crunchy peanut butter, Clif bar. You guys know about Clif bars, right? No good. Oh, peanut butter. Got lots of carbohydrates. Right, lots of calories. They burn 260. Right, only 60 calories from fat, which is really good. Chewy and crunchy. Tastes like sunflower seeds and peanut butter. Wow. Whoa, there goes the Tioga. Got 41 grams of total carbs, 230 milligrams of potassium, 200 milligrams of sodium, 0 cholesterol, about 11 grams of protein. Got all kinds of nuts and grains and bullshit in it. But they're good. You don't gotta be a vegan, eat this shit, you just need to be an athlete. We are athletes. You might think so, but we are. Look at that fucking mountain right this time's over. Just cause I ain't wearing the fucking $300 fancy fucking right, hybrid fucking spandex fucking suit. I'm riding a $10 million fucking expert specialized. Don't mean I'm not an athlete. I'm just as good an athlete as they are. Clif bars, they're for calories, they're for carbohydrates, they're for fueling your body, they're for making you go, go, go. We still got 13 miles to go through this canyon. We ate a Clif bar. We're gonna make it this time. Got water. You can drink water. See, look. You know what those are over there? Overpriced New York strip steaks. That's what they are.
Hey, this is the grass finishing you're seeing.
I'll hold his horns if you want to ride him.